Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all will like the full video. Please watch full video and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more beautiful painting. It really motivates me. I will tell a story today. Welcome to the magical world of Disney and the beloved classic story of The Little Mermaid. This heartwarming fairy tale of a young mermaid who follows her dreams and discovers her true potential has delighted audiences of all ages for generations. The story begins when our young mermaid, Ariel, yearns to explore the world above the sea. She longs to walk on land and experience the wonders of humanity. Against her father King Triton's wishes, Ariel visits the sea witch Ursula and trades her beautiful voice for legs. Little does she know, Ursula is up to something sinister. Against all odds, Ariel embarks on her journey with the help of her best friend Flounder and trusty sidekick Sebastian. Along the way, she experiences the beauty and joys of humankind and discovers what it truly means to be herself. After many trials and tribulations, Ariel defeats Ursula and is reunited with her true love, the handsome Prince Eric. At last, she gets her own happy ending and manages to regain her voice for all to hear. The tale of The Little Mermaid is a reminder that courage, faith, and hope can lead to a brighter future. We hope you enjoyed this treasured Disney classic. Goodbye until next time. Do let me know in the comment section if you like my painting or want to give me any suggestion. Please subscribe and like, share, comment. Have a nice day. See you in my next video.